today I am unboxing of the Dragon Ball Super comic. This is very best comic, and this comic has the 15 chapters. First chapter is Roast Trooper. Second chapter is Vegeta turns, and third Saiyan Pride, and fourth the winning universe is decided, and fifth is the SOS from the future, and sixth is the hope once again. This is very good manga, and this is Japanese comic. It is very good.